guys, in this video, we're going to talk about AMC. AMC more or less doing everything that we kind of predicted it would, especially after we just couldn't get past that 23.6 fib level up here around $58. You can see that we just kind of held up there. We tightened the Bollinger Bands just a little bit, and then we just broke down out of it. Now what we're looking at is we have a cross of this 50 and this 200-day, or the 9-day EMA and the 50-day SMA. So the 9-day just crossed under. That is just a little bit of a bearish signal, but again, this is a very, very short-term moving average. So there's not a whole lot of weight that we can put in that. We can't say for certain that AMC will be definitely bearish, especially going into earnings. But for immediately, it's going to give us a little bit of a bearish signal in here. Support-wise, what we're looking at, well, it's going to be the 61.8 fib level. That's going to be down here around the 34.55 area. Our resistance-wise, we're looking at this 50% fib level. That's going to be right at those 41.71s. Above that, we're going to be looking at the 38.2, which is up here around $49. If we do break below this 34.42, really there's not a whole lot going on until we get to this 200-day moving average way down here at $15. So it could get bad in here really quick. But again, I think we're just going to kind of hold up here for just a little bit. And before we get to earnings, I think there's still enough interest in here to the upside that we will just be kind of sticking around in this range. If we do fade off, it'll fade off very, very slowly, especially into earnings, with earnings coming up. So earnings are coming up on August 5th. You have a, let's see, $5.40 expected move by next Friday. The following Friday is going to be your earnings expiration cycle. And that's going to be right around $9.49. So raw IV of around 200% in there, basically $9.50 expected move in that earnings expiration cycle. Don't really know if it's going to be pre or aftermarket just yet. We'll have to check on earnings whispers for that later on in the week, and we'll get a better idea. But again, more or less just kind of doing what we kind of expected here with a nice little fade out. But we'll see what happens in here. To keep an eye on those fib levels, the 34, the 41.71, and that $49 range in here. And if all else fails, this 200-day moving average will give you just a major support down here. But I don't think we're going to get down there just quite yet, especially with earnings coming up. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on our social media. We have attached links to our socials in the description. And we also have a trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.